She's the Indian internet's favorite girl next door and has won millions of hearts simply by being herself. Meet Srishti Dixit, the social media sensation who has become a household name with her kick-ass sense of humor. But before she became Buzzfeed India's video star,
I was in Kanpur for all of my childhood. I moved to Bombay for a year. I was in Xavier's, the XIC 1-year course that they have. Then straight out of that, I got a job at an entertainment website called Bollywood Life. Around the same time, Buzzfeed put out a listing saying that they are looking for a Bollywood celebrity reporter. I really wanted to get into the company, so I applied, and I honestly didn't think I would get it. But till today, Rega, who is my editor-in-chief, tells me the story of the one thing that I did in my copy test that actually got me the job, which was a sample post that I wrote with the headline 11 faces of Sunny Deol that you would relate to if you were on your period. And it's just like a photo post with Sunny Deol looking angry in like all 11 pictures, and those are faces I make when I'm on my period.
From creating videos about everyday situations to hosting the red carpet at YouTube Fan Fest, she's the girl everyone wants to be besties with. Yep, even us.
Hi!
So we're dying to ask you this. Are you really like Pooh from K3G in reality?
No, not really. Actually, I'm quite the opposite. I'm basically an antithesis.
Come on, seriously?
How dare you? मैं अपनी favorite नहीं हूँ. But it's really funny to watch people come up to me and tell me that they love me in that video, and then they realize that I'm quite unlike Pooh, basically. So it's fun to watch that.
While she is a crowd favorite and everyone adores her for her honesty, her heart is set on
My cat, Patches. He's 4 years old. He's my roommate, and I talk to him every day. I tell him about my day, and then he tells me about his. But his day is always more fun than my day, so I kind of hate his life and I want it. Other things you need to know about me is that I hate dieting, and I can't stand it. I tried once in my life and I gave up immediately. Actually, not immediately. I did it for 30 days and I was really bad at it and I was upset the whole time. I was cranky. I had become a bitter person. So yeah, I can't diet. I hate jeans. I can't wear jeans. I've not worn a jean denim pant in 5 years. I just can't stand it. I don't get how people wear it. Why? Why would you put yourself through it?
Srishti is also a sucker for animal videos, which she can binge watch for hours.
I indulge in watching animal videos all the damn time, and my whole feed on every social media platform is basically full of animal videos.
She's known for leaving everyone in splits, but would you ever believe she's actually an introvert?
I met Tanmay Bhatt for like the second time or the third time in my life, and he approached me and I walked up to him and I thought it would be a handshake, but it was actually a hug. And then as I hugged him, I said, "This is awkward," in his ear, and he was like, "What is this mess?" But yeah, I'm that introverted, which is probably because of stress and a little bit of anxiety, which all millennials, I think, face at some point in their life. So yeah, if you are going through mental health problems, please seek someone out, talk to them. You will be surprised by how much it would help you. This is a lesson I'm learning now. I used to come from a place of extreme self-loathing, and that kind of became the reason why I would get out of bed. I would have constant fear that I would become irrelevant, I would become insignificant if I don't leave my house, if I don't do something with myself every day. If constant fear is a driving force in your life, that's okay, but at the end of the day, you have to be okay with who you are, and you have to like yourself a little bit if you want others to like you.
Being surrounded by amazing women is what inspires her to create content that is real and relatable. And not just that, she's making millennials believe that they can make it big too.
I feel like every time I make a piece of content or I put anything up on Instagram, I want some girl out there to look at it and feel represented. I want women to know that they are not unheard, that they matter. And I mean, this is what I keep telling everyone around me as well, that you should as a woman, be able to demand what you deserve, and you should respect, love and support other women who are hustling with you, around you, and you'll be a girl boss yourself too.